Malaki ba yan?
Oh, miss na po, miss na. Miss mo na?
Boss B mismo? Okay. Di ka na mahal nun.
Team tambakan mo. Timba pala. Timba versus Falls. Good. Good po yan, good po yan.
Batcha.
Good na po mga sir. 2 points by Cooler Gray.
2 points by Kulay Gray.
Number 0, pass to number 0. Taking 3, number 0. 3 points by number 0.
Makalog yung cellphone eh, no? Parang Ben.
3-0.
Boss, hindi maglalaro. Kuha lang ng titi yan dyan eh.
Pinoy step. Wala, limon by number 5. Low, good, limon by. Kanya pa rin. Pass to 0, taking 3, bang. 6-2.
Kamukha ni Chog Mural.
Bongo, taking 3. Wala, limon by.
Boy, shoot mo! Diretso yun, no? Pasuwang ito sa...
Taking 3 again. Ay, tas lang. 2 points lang pala. Alam ko, nakatapak. 8-2. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. We will buy. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 0. Crossover, 2 points. 10-2. Pinasa pa kay Gray. Rebound by Gray again. Intercepted by number 0. Pass to number 0. Side step. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 14. Pass to Color Gray. Taking long 2, no good. Rebound by number 6. 2 points by number 6. 4-10. Sinapak ni Bo.
Boko, nananapak ka na.
Foul. To number 5. 1 and 2 points. No good. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 0. Rebound by number 14. Intercepted pala.
Makalog kasi.
Same ball.
15.
Pass to number 0. Out of bounds. Good ball. Taking long two. No good. Rebound by. Sayang mo. Number 0. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 3.
Botak mo! Number Gray.
Taking 3. Rebound by Color Gray. 10-7. Nice beat. Rebound by number 14. Out of bounds. Good ball. Good, nice deep. Blocked by number 27. Color Gray.
Net. Ano lang, kaliwet lang.
15 seconds to shoot. Reverse. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Idol. 2 points by Idol. 12-7. 5-point lead.
Last shot, bro.
Last shot before change. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 20 plus. Jelly Ace. Rebound by. Good ball. Good ball ba? Change court. Change court.
Sige, balik ka pa yan. Sa bala.
Well, 7. Pass to number 27. No good. Wala.
Masakit kamay niya, masakit kamay.
10 seconds. 2 points by number 27. 9-12. Out of
Kaya,
bounds.
ano, Jerome ah. Ginagaya ka. Idol.
Good ball. 15 seconds to shoot.
Sarili po.
10 seconds. No good. Rebound by. Number 0. Rebound by. Number 14. Out of bounds. 4 minutes exactly.
Kaldag ako mamaya. Kaldag ako mamaya.
Boy, ano yan? Nasa yung
Ano yun?
Running time yan, mga idol. Running time.
Pati itong
15 seconds. Take it 3. 3 points. Good po yan. 15-9. 6-point lead. Timba ang lamang. Oh. To number 6. No, good pa din. Rebound by number 6 pa din. Wala pa din. Rebound by Gray. Wala pa din. Rebound by number. Foul.
Nagol yan pare.
Good yan.
binat sa ulo.
Good yan. Good. 2 points.
Nakita kita sa
17-9. Wow. 2 points. 11-17. 6-point lead. 3 minutes exactly.
Hirap mo sa depensa dito. Sa mga to. Pag yung dati no? Sabi ka pa ito bagay.
Two points. 13-17. 4-point lead.
Ako sa ito sa...
Up. Good ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
Ay, flash mo muna.
Good ball. 20 seconds to shoot pala. 2 points. 15-17. 2-point lead by Team Tam.
Dalawa na lang, dalawa. Diba?
Timba. Intercepted by Bobo. Putak ang bilis.
Ayaw ba yung video mo? Bala mo ah. Ilang lang ako dyan?
14. Ay, dito na. All 17. Delta. All 17. 1 minute and 50. 2 points. Kinaliwa pa.
Ayaw kasi balita ni Boss B.
19-17.
Ano agad? iPhone 17.
All 19.
Nakakita patay ano baka labira.
1 minute and 30.
Kita pati ano.
Side step. No good. Rebound by. Rebound by Bobo. Ang bilis. 1 minute and 20.
Last game na ba?
15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 5. Sayang. Ang lamang na. 1 minute and 10. Take 3.
Netoy.
3 points. By number 0. 22-19. 1 minute exactly. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh, step back lead.
Tapon ng sabaw.
Sayang. Ay, puta. Ang galing.
Bakit mo na, uy?
42 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds remaining. No good. Rebound by. Boko pa din. Pass to number Gray.
Number.
Wala pa rin to number 6. Wala pa rin, rebound by.
Yun, ako eh.
Shot clock off. 15 seconds remaining. Wala, rebound by. Good ball. 9 seconds. 3-point lead. 3-point lead lang. 2 points.
Isa lang, oh.
Panalo, team Timba.